Today I'm going to teach you how to sort from highest to lowest in Google Sheets. This is a fundamental skill that will help you organize your data efficiently, whether you're working with sales figures, student grades, or any numerical information that needs to be arranged in descending order. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're on this page, go ahead and log in to your Google account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials that have access to the spreadsheets you want to work with. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Workspace dashboard where all your files and documents are stored. Now that you're on the Workspace dashboard, take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet that contains the data you want to sort. Simply click on that spreadsheet to open it. This will bring up your data in the familiar Google Sheets interface, where you can begin the sorting process. The next step is crucial for ensuring you sort the right information. Click and drag your mouse to highlight all the data that you want to sort from highest to lowest. Make sure you're selecting the entire range of cells that need to be organized. This could be a single column of numbers or multiple columns if you want to maintain the relationship between related data points. Taking the time to select the correct range now will save you from having to redo the process later. Once your data is highlighted, look toward the top of your screen where you'll find the main menu bar. Click on the option labeled Data. This will open a drop-down menu with various data manipulation tools that Google Sheets offers. From this menu, locate and click on Sort Range. This is the feature that allows you to organize your selected data in the order you prefer. After clicking Sort Range, you'll see an option that says Sort Range by column A, followed by parentheses containing Z to A. Keep in mind that the letter A here refers to whichever column you've selected, so if you highlighted column B or C, it will reflect that instead. The important part is the Z to A designation, which indicates that you're sorting from highest to lowest. This is exactly what we want for arranging data in descending order. Go ahead and click this option. And there you have it. Your data is now sorted from highest to lowest, making it much easier to identify top performers, largest values, or any other information that benefits from descending order. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.